This looks impossible without a calculator until you notice this. Be honest. If this appeared in an exam, most students will reach for a calculator. Watch closely, as we are not going to use a calculator. This is how students usually attack it. They could convert 18% into decimal, 0.18, and then multiplied by 250. Multiplication, decimals, panic, and time wastage. Now, we could say that 18% of 250 the same as 250% of 18. That is mathematically correct. But here is the trick that nobody tells you. You can swap always the numbers. Again, we are not going to, if we pick 250% of 18, we're not going to multiply 250 over 100 times 18. We could split this 250 into, first, 200% of 18 is the same as 2 times 18, which is 36. Again, 50%, which is the remaining part of 18, is the same as half of 18, and this gives us 9. So therefore, 250% of 18 is the same as 36 plus 9, which is 45. 250% is just 200% plus 50%. So 18% of 250 is 45. No calculator, no decimals, just think. The exam is not testing about calculator. It's testing whether you see numbers or just chase them. Learn number sense and hard questions start behaving.